This little secret has been making beginners up to $800 a pop in commission on complete autopilot. This is ingeniously simple but packed with income that will stuff your inbox with notifications, every day and every week. It's just unstoppable once it is set on your mobile device or your computer. While it seems too good to be true, as always, I'll back it up with actual examples, a demo, and a bonus strategy that you can easily follow along. It's 100% free and available worldwide. But here's the catch: if you don't watch until the end, you lose out on important tips. And might eventually fail to make any money, which I don't want to happen to you. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video and pay very close attention. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get straight into the video. Let me show you first how much money you can make from this brand new strategy. Take a look at this $249 per month. Now look, if we multiply by 12 months, that's almost $3,000. But in this case, you're going to earn 30% of the commission. Which means you can earn almost $900 in one click. And this is absolutely insane. This is the amount that you can earn on a monthly basis if you follow all my steps. Some people might make less money, probably around $60 to $100, but I will share with you a secret that will immediately multiply your earnings up to 10 times more, getting you $249 per commission and $896 per click over and over again. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Now when you go over to the homepage of this website, you can see that they have been partnering with some of the biggest companies in the world. So they're definitely legit and they pay in time. This is your opportunity to partner with them and make some good money today on the internet. This is exactly how it works. Now this company provides a service where they sell products like Proof Pulse. Now what we can do here is we can recommend this product to people and we will earn 30% commission, and remember, it's up to $900 in just one click. And don't worry, you don't need any experience, no skill, no video creation involved, and no website needed. In fact, I'll break down everything step by step in a really simple way so that you can start earning commission today. So basically, this is how the Proof program works. There are the 3 simple steps that you have to follow. Step number 1, join the program and get your referral link. I'll show you exactly how to join and how to sign up in just a moment. Step number 2, once you've grabbed your referral link, share that link on social media and other platforms. But again, in this video, we're not gonna share anything on social media, cause you don't need any social media followers or YouTube videos. Instead, we will be using a secret underground money website to get free traffic and referrals, sending thousands of clicks to your referral link and making you almost $900 per commission on complete autopilot. Step number 3, you're going to get paid. They're going to give you 30% commission for each sale of each month. Your earnings are calculated and available for you to cash out by PayPal. By the way, if you're learning a lot from this video, smash the like button. Okay, let's get back to it. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is just go down to the very bottom of this website, then look for the company section, and click on partners. Then you're going to land on this page where it says, ready to get started? Just click on the Join Now button and then you're going to come onto this page where you can sign up and build incredible partnerships via Proof program and PartnerStack. You can sign up using Google, or you can use your email. Now moving on to the next step, let's go to google.com and I want you to search for cooking online courses. Our strategy right now is to find different website owners, especially people who are selling online courses. You can definitely search for different categories of people selling them. For example, digital marketing online courses. The opportunities are unlimited, but I just want to give you an example using the cook niche in this video. So right now, what you're going to do next is to scroll down to the very bottom of Google search, and then you have to go around 3 to 10 pages. This is the special trick that I'm talking about. Don't focus on the page 1 or 2. They're usually popular websites in most companies, which makes it virtually impossible for you to get any referrals from them. So this strategy that I want to teach you right now is to focus on small to medium-sized companies. And if you follow the strategy, chances are you're going to get people to buy from your link, or even buy on the more premium packages. $166 per month. Or even up to $249 per month in the package, and with the 30% commission for every single sale that you make, you can make way up to $800 in commission on complete autopilot. So let's go back to Google, and on page 3, what you're going to do is look for different websites, for example this one, or this one. Another example here is this one. Now the opportunity is unlimited because you can find hundreds and hundreds of different websites and blogs in Google. Pay close attention, don't miss out on this part, because I'm going to show you the live demo on how to do this and how you can use all these websites to start making money. You can actually recommend the Proof program to help them grow their business, increase the conversion, and help them get more sales, so those people are the targeted people. We can refer them to the official Proof website and we can earn commission from that way. So now what you're going to do is to find the contact email of this website. Usually you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the website and look for different contacts. For example, right here, you can see contact us, and then make an email recommending the Proof packages to them. And if they buy the products, you're going to earn the commission. One good thing about this company is you don't have to do any of the selling, because when they click on your link, they're going to over the Proof website, and then they're going to get a trial from Proof, and eventually they'll decide whether or not to make a purchase. So you're not doing any of the selling, you just have to share the link with the right people and make money. There's a good chance they will buy from you. Now I want you to imagine in one single day, if you reach out to 20 people, even if just one person buys from you, you're still going to earn up to $896 in one click. And that's a lot of money to be made. So if you reach to more people a day, there's more chance to make more sales and therefore make more and more money. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for staying around until the end. Go apply this method right now and reach to many websites as you can and get started in the money-making space online. Thank you again for watching. Please like if you haven't did, leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace.